simple animation template which includes a cool collection of colorful transitions. Easy to use so you can simply customize your projects. Play with colors and combine with effects with just a few clicks. Some of the project features: stylish transition, 4K resolution, full color controls, plus bonus effect. Help file is also included, and this works with Premiere Pro version 2019 and above. You can download it from the link in the description section below. Let's see how to use it. After downloading, you will get the zip file. Just extract this zip file and open this folder. Inside it, you will find two folders. One is for the help video. So inside it, you will have help video, and other folder is the stylish transition MOGRT files. So these are some files, 12 MOGRT transitions. Now just launch the Premiere Pro and go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave something in the comments to support this video. And over here you will see the Essential Graphics. Just come to the bottom, click on this plus icon and browse the downloaded folder, and stylish transition, select the first one and select the open. So that way it would be available over here. Now let me show you the another way. Just right click on the hamburger menu and select manage additional folders, and on this over here click on the add and browse this stylish transition folder and select this folder, and that way this would be available right on the list. So this is the stylish transition, and thereafter just press OK. And if you will now see the Essential Graphics panel, let me just maximize it by pressing the parenthesis key, and here you will see all these stylish transition now available right over here. Now let me show you how to use it. You can either search stylish so that only these would be available. Just click it and all these stylish transition are now available. Just drag and drop over your clips. So just drag it and make sure it is between two clips, so it should be in the middle of two clips. And if you just play it through, you will see the stylish transition is now working. Let's see. And if you want to change its color, select this one, go to the Essential Graphics, and in the edit option, here you have the option to change the color. Just click on the color and the color picker dialog would open, and choose different color. Similarly, choose the color number 2 and choose another color. Press OK, and now boom, we can easily change its color. Now let's try the another one. So let's say this one, just drop it over here, and now let's play it. Boom. So it's very easy and simple to use. Again, you can change its color to anything else of your liking. So you can download this amazing transition pack from the link in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.